Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Jaguar XF R-Sport. Now this is the 2-litre petrol engine, super on fuel, wonderful performance, married to the silky smooth 8-speed ZF gearbox in these cars. Wonderful car, finished in the best colour Fuji white. Now this car's got the 18-inch upgrade wheel which we've just freshly powder coated brand new. So those wheels are as new, brand new, freshly coated, and inside there then it's had in service, it's had new discs and front pads, and it's also had rear brake pads. Last owner bought it from Motorpoint, the car supermarket, and the service history there was about 13,500 miles. 2 services before this one, so you've got the Jaguar service, then the Motorpoint service, then ourselves. But the paintwork's finished in fantastic condition. You can tell the previous keeper really has cherished this car. Got the black and red leather interior. I think the colour combination on this car is wonderful. Black and red leather, white paintwork, and now with the addition of those black wheels, just finishes the car off in wonderful condition. Tyres are all great on it. It's going to get a brand new 12 months MOT on it before it leaves us. It'll come with a 6 months guarantee as well. Down the sides of the car, it's in wonderful condition, free from any real mark that I can see whatsoever. A very nicely cared for car. Front and rear parking sensors, twin tailpipes on the rear. Just set that back end off and you get a lovely large boot in these cars as well, as you can see. Underneath the spare wheel you get the tyre inflation kit, etc. But a very good all-round example. 2 keys on this car as well. Driver's side mirrors the passenger, and as you can see is in wonderful order. Tyre, looks a fresh new tyre on the back there. But what a great car. Drove the car. If you've not drove a 2-litre petrol engine on these, they are absolutely great. Obviously as we move across now more to, we're selling more petrols now than ever before. There you go, there's that lovely red and black leather interior. Got the gloss black detail with the checkered aluminium as well. 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors. Aluminium sill plates that designate R-Sport. The seats in great order. Just have a look at that. We've got the red contrast stitch on there as well. That just adds to that level of luxury. Jaguar dashboard, very nice indeed. Red stitching across the top of the dashboard. Just look at that. It is a wonderful car. 42,753 miles as I start the engine. Fully loaded with all the nice features, good sound system as well. So this one's got lane change assistance and driver monitor, which is that there, gives a little wobble on the steering wheel if you are driving out the lane on the motorway. We then have automatic wipers, automatic headlamps, paddle shift, leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel, heated seats on a day like today which is freezing. I've got my protective gloves on. Satellite navigation, touchscreen, everything's monitored through the screen. Parking sensors, as I take reverse, they come on the screen there. Very nice, as I say. There's that lovely, by now, Jaguar diamond encrusted style gear shifter. We do have the book pack, the locking wheel nut key. I've took a picture of all the service history, so if you want to see that, it's there. I don't smoke, and I can tell that the owners on this vehicle were non-smokers as well. Smells fresh and clean in here. But this leather interior, as you can see, is in wonderful order. A real smart car, this. Black and red, white paintwork, yes. Easy to use digital climate control. So all the driver features in here, which makes buying a Jaguar a luxurious purchase. But what a wonderful car. 18 plate, service documentation, 2 keys, full book pack, 12 months MOT, 6 months guarantee. What a wonderful piece of kit that is. Put a private reg on it, somebody think you've bought a brand new car in your street. Get the neighbours talking with this one. So if you'd like to have any more info, I'm Graham. We've got Dom and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. If you want to reserve it so it comes, and you can come to Wigan to our showroom here only once and collect it, then give us a call. We'll explain how we do that. Dead easy, dead straightforward. New brakes on it, freshly powder coated tight wheels. What a great looking car. So as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.